Cybercriminals know that bypassing enterprise security software is difficult, so they often bypass the software entirely and target a more accessible system: human psychology. This is a mock-up of a highly targeted phishing email. The attacker impersonates a manager and uses demanding language. They rely on authority and urgency to create a spike of panic, pressuring the employee to act quickly and skip standard data protocols. Recognizing these emotional traps is your primary defense. If you can identify the psychological pressure, you can neutralize the attack using a simple 3-step framework. Step 1 is to pause. Look at the language in the message. Words like urgent or instructions demanding secrecy, such as "do not call me," are designed to trigger an emotional reaction. When you feel pressured, stop. Step 2 is to verify. Start by checking the sender. A familiar display name is easy to fake. You need to expand the contact details to reveal the actual hidden email address sending the message. Next, inspect the domain name of that address carefully. Attackers frequently register domains that look almost identical to official company addresses, sometimes slipping in a single extra letter or substituting a number for a vowel to deceive the eye. Finally, verify the request itself. If an instruction asks you to bypass normal procedures or handle sensitive data, reach out to the supposed sender through a completely different established channel, like your official company chat, to confirm the request. Complying immediately with unverified high-pressure instructions gives the attacker exactly what they need to slip past the company's security. Step 3 is to report. Do not reply to the sender and do not forward the message to colleagues. Instead, use your email client's official reporting tool to flag the message directly to the IT security team. Building strong email security comes down to making this framework a daily habit. 1. Pause when you feel pressured. 2. Verify the sender and the instructions. 3. Report the threat. Technology and filters will catch most threats, but social engineering targets human trust. Your deliberate awareness and that single careful pause is the organization's strongest defense.